biggest space for women to come and love on each other, to love making money, to love growing, and just to be together to support each other, because that's what it's all about. It's women helping women in real estate investing. You let it out, and it all comes back to you 10 times over.
Think of anything you can think of. What do you people want? Tell me what you want.
If someone would have told me when I was flipping 2 houses a year that I was going to flip 20, then 30, then 50, I'd have been like, I don't know how to do that. I'm barely getting 3.
I bring ladies that are doing deals up on stage so that they can share their success stories. We're doing deals. We are active real estate investors. To learn it from somebody real and to be able to talk to them and ask them questions afterward, I think that's invaluable. If you're already in real estate investing, there is a space for you here. If you're brand new, you can't hardly even spell real estate investing, there's a space for you here.
We're on a yacht! Yay! Let's go see downstairs. So here's the kitchen that we have storing our food and purses. The dining room. The living room, also known as storage. Bathroom in here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. My next company, number 11, is gonna be Whitney Buys Boats. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. Let's see. Oh, another bathroom in here. Wow, with a shower. Heck yeah, so it's a 2-bathroom. I bet this turns into a bed. That down there might even turn into a bed. And then here's a bedroom. Oh, this place is so cool. With a TV. Who would have thought you needed a TV in your bedroom on the boat? It's a 41-foot Sea Ray. Her name is Recess. And it is air conditioned in here. Again, check out that refrigerator, kitchen situation, and there is a real sink in here. I just have my chips and cookies and snacks in there with Goyard parking. Let's go back out and see what we got working out here. Seating area. We got a huge bimini top here so that my red head can stay shaded. Oh, ran into the table. And driving situation. This is not gonna be my place. What about you, Mom?
I'm in for the ride.
Lonnie's our Uber driver, our boat Uber driver. And there's our 2 first mates. Right, guys? Yeah, yeah. The ones holding us onto land. Come on, boys, I wanna go out into the water. We're gonna be out on this thing all morning. We're on a boat, yay! We're going out in Miami. Hotel. Look at those cranes. Oh, I want a crane. Right there. What'd you say, 200 million for an acre? Yep. 200 million for an acre, right there, y'all. You see this park? Our captain just told us that this park was bought by a developer, and he started digging to put the foundation in for the building and found bones. It was an old Indian burial. So the city took the property back, and now we have a beautiful park here in downtown Miami. Just looking at the houses. This is what real estate investors do on vacation. We go look at houses. See, that one right there is for sale. We think the celebrities or athletes or somebody, maybe some doctors live in these houses, but man, oh man, they are nice. This one is the entire corner, and look, they got grandma out in the pool, the kids jumping in, just doing their thing. I like this too. Look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 buildings. I like this. Doggy too. $80 million. These houses, y'all. I'm in heaven. We are currently just hanging out in Miami on the boat, avoiding a rainstorm. Saturday in February. It's been awesome out here today.